Hello everyone, I received an interesting product, so today you come with me to show this product, okay? Okay, this art product, it's very big. It's laser level with tripod, so come to open and show this, okay? Okay, now I open everything. You look, have two batteries, a remote, like a control for the remote mode, the instructions, cable, box. This is the machine with the three lasers individually. This is the case. In this case, are everything, and this is the tripod. The tripod. So now you come with me to show the form to use everything. Now it's power off, so I power on the first one, the second one, and the third. So it's perfectly and exactly the laser. So it's very cool. I really love this product because I think it's very useful for many things and it's really impressionant.